Hi, do you remember my little van? Well, it got an upgrade, and yes, it's a diesel heater, but now the fridge needs to find a new secure home. And for that, I need to make a little platform near the kitchen cabinet. Since the space on the floor between the cabinet and the border of the van is approximately 1.5 centimeters too narrow, I had to undo the previous build near the cabinet and move a box to make space for the fridge. And therefore, I'm reusing part of the timber that I already had, and the board is a leftover from the kitchen home build. The platform is really simple, just a wooden board secured on the wall of the van to the kitchen cabinet on one side, and on the other side it already has a support from the van. In the future, I would like to have a sliding box underneath the platform since every little space counts, maybe secured with magnets on the front. But for the time being, the support on the front bottom stays fixed. For that reason, I left this little build very fuss-free. I'm sure I will complicate my life and the build very soon, as I usually overthink every little thing. And now that the board is secured, let's see if the fridge fits. And then we just need to secure it so it doesn't slide off the platform. Follow to see the evolution to the upgrades to my little van and how I will install the diesel heater. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. For today it's all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Take care!